Butterfly, also known as Felicia, and welcome to day 8 of Vlogamas. I wanted to share with you guys my front porch area. I didn't do a lot this year because, of course, many of you know that we just moved into our home and my husband can't put up lights this year because he just had like a knee surgery. So I had to improvise and just use a few things just to kind of give us a little Christmas cheer this year. So let's get started. First, I have just my plain welcome sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. I didn't get a Christmas sign because I really could not decide on a sign. So that's why I just have a plain welcome, because I could not decide on a sign. And as you approach the front door, you'll see my 2 little lanterns. One used to be silver. I spray painted them black. They've been outside, so they've kind of got a little dusty, y'all. I apologize for that. But they have the bulbs in them, and I put some fairy lights in them. I have Christmas bulbs and pine cones, and I put some fairy lights in them so they would sparkle at night. I found this big Merry Christmas, I don't know what you would call it, light bulb at Michael's. It was 50% off. It was very cute. I did not know what I was going to do with it when I bought it, but I thought it was something that was super cute. Here is a Christmas tree that I made out of lighted garland that I already had in a tomato stand. And it looks really cute at night. But if you look at the bottom, you can see that I didn't have enough garland, but you can't see that from the street, so I didn't even worry about it. For those of you who watch my build to grade to upgrade, we have stained the door. It's a pretty color. I'll put it in the description if I remember. If I don't, keep me honest and tell me and ask me what it is. The bows and the ribbon from all of this is from Costco. When I purchased it originally, I thought it was wired ribbon. However, it was not, but I made it work. I think it's really cute. It looks like a burlappy gold color. That's why I picked it up. I thought it was super cute, but yeah, I did not know it was not wired. And the garland I got from Michael's on sale for 50% off. It was regularly $19.99. I think, and it was 50% off, so it was a good deal. And I just love my wreath. I didn't want to make one. I wanted, just a green wreath, and I got this from Homegoods. I got the wreath from Homegoods. Over here, I have my bench and my little lantern that I've been having for so many years. I don't even know where I got it from. I even added some more stuff into it to kind of fill it out. The pillow I got from Target years and years ago, and the blanket I got from Walmart this year. It was $4.98. So this is my porch, and I will show you pictures in the end. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I appreciate you coming to visit me on my channel.